How to permanently delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how to delete your account, watch this video till the very end. First of all, doing this everything, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of your Instagram, because there might be some problem if you don't update to its latest version. So if you have updated and installed it, then simply open your Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app, you'll see an interface like this. Tap on your profile, which is on the down right section, and on the top right section you'll see 3 vertical lines. When you tap on this, there are many options here, but ignore it all and just scroll it down and down up until you see the option of help. Just tap on the help option and you will tap on the help center option, and after that you will see a search bar right there, and on the search bar what you can simply tap is delete account. After tapping it, just search for it. Tap on delete your account. And when you tap on delete your account, you will see many options here. You will see the option of temporarily deactivate your account, Instagram account, delete your Instagram account. No, ignore this all and just scroll down to temporarily deactivate your account. Scroll down and down. You will see no options right here. Then how do you delete your account? Just tap on delete your account, which is on top right side with blue alphabet right there. Tap on mobile browser help, and now again just scroll down and tap on the delete your alphabet from serial number 1, which is on the blue alphabet right here, which is highlighted. Now just tap where you want to delete this account. Trouble getting started? You should re-enter your password right here, and then you can simply delete your Instagram account permanently, just like this. I hope this video helped. If you like the video, then please do hit on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. For any suggestions or comment, just comment on the comment section. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching the video.